let's talk about one of the fastest ways to spark a genuine connection with a woman. And no, it's not about flashy gifts, fancy lines, or trying to be someone you're not. It's about tapping into something deeply human, the power of shared emotion. Studies and real-life experience show us that people bond faster over a shared negative than over a shared positive. Think about it. If you and someone else both love pizza, that's nice. But if you both agree pineapple on pizza is a crime against humanity, suddenly you've got chemistry, laughter, and a private little alliance. This is what we call shared hatred. Now, don't take it too literally. It doesn't mean you need to rant or complain endlessly. It's about finding common ground in playful opposition. Maybe it's mocking the city traffic, laughing over a terrible TV show, or even sharing stories about a ridiculous boss. This creates a unique us versus them dynamic, a mini partnership where she feels like she's on your team. Creating inside jokes, harmless pranks, or little moments that reinforce the idea that it's the two of you navigating the world together. This not only deepens the bond quickly, but also shifts the interaction from small talk to real connection. When she feels like she's aligned with you against something else, you're no longer just another guy she's talking to. You've become her ally, her co-conspirator, and someone she feels closer to in a very short amount of time.
The second fastest way to attract a woman? Make her laugh. Humor is one of the most powerful forms of attraction, not because it's flashy, but because it builds joy and emotional chemistry on the spot. And here's the key. Humor isn't some rare gift reserved for natural comedians. It's a skill, one you can learn and refine. One of the simplest techniques is misinterpretation and speculation. If she says something ordinary, you playfully exaggerate or twist it in a lighthearted way. But with humor, there are rules you must follow. Rule number 1, never laugh at your own joke before she does. Confidence means delivering the line and waiting for her reaction. Rule number 2, never explain the joke if she doesn't laugh. If it lands, great. If it doesn't, move on effortlessly. Explaining humor kills the flow and breaks the charm. When you combine humor with the power of shared dislikes, you create a dynamic that is irresistible. You're not just the guy across from her. You're the guy who makes her feel alive, connected, and entertained. Attraction isn't about grand gestures. It's about crafting experiences that make her feel both partnered and delighted. That's the strategy. Build an alliance through shared hatreds, then fuel it with laughter, and watch as chemistry sparks faster than you thought possible.